All right, let's see. Clap. Hey guys, this is Redo, and today is the time that I take the old natural air fragrance, and then get a new one. And I think this would be the last air fragrance or natural air fragrance that I'll be reviewing. I think I've reviewed all of them, and so let's see. Closing this one. I even forgot what was in here, but anyway, don't care right now. So what was this one? I can't remember what this one was, but it smells nice. This was balancing amber because it was red right here. And so we're gonna try Harmonizing Flowers. Can't wait to test this out again. It's been a while. You know, when I bought this was like a couple of years ago. I haven't opened this. It's actually kind of like an implicit test on whether fragrance lasts for a long time if you don't open them up, right? I'm sure some of it got away or stick to the plastic, but here we are. Harmonizing Flower. Oh, what the heck is this smell? Okay. I don't, let me try and get my bearings straight here. Whew. Okay. I guess this is gonna take a while to get used to. It's a nice smell. It's very pungent, but it's a nice smell, right? It does smell like flowers. Harmonizing? I don't know, but it smells like flowers. Okay, so this is how you put it in, and we'll be driving around, you know, blast off with the AC so we can smell it better. All right, this smells like a very girly soap. That's how I would classify this. Here's a dog. So the reason why I think it might take a while for me to get used to this smell is because it's not gender neutral. This might be more likable to women, but oh, it does smell nice. Now that, you know, the sun's on it, the AC's on, does it make your car smell like it's clean? Absolutely. Holy crap. But it feels artificial. Like, you know, like for my M2, it doesn't smell as if it's like the natural smell of the car. It feels and smells like, you know, I bought something nice and, you know, it just doesn't fit the nature of the car, right? Compared to like sparkling raindrops or energizing tonic, those two fit the car really, really well. But for this one, it doesn't fit the M2 well. It might fit like a, I don't know, maybe a 5 Series car or just the regular 2 Series, right? The smell is hip and chic. I think those are the correct terms that I would be using for Harmonizing Flowers. You know, for me, myself, right, personally, would I have this as my primary fragrance? No. But if I have to use this fragrance, I honestly wouldn't care, right? I think it's still a plus as far as natural air fragrances are concerned. It's not a net negative or a net zero like some of the ones that I've used. What was the yellow one? The yellow one was like, to me, I think that was the worst. When I say worst, right, it means like it just doesn't fit the car, or it just doesn't give enough like wow factor as far as the smell is concerned. But for this one, definitely maybe like a fourth, or in between. It's like in the middle, right? And so it smells really nice. You know how let's see, I'm not sure if it, maybe if like maybe if the car is just not blue, it just doesn't fit my car really. Again, it smells nice, it doesn't fit my car, it doesn't fit my personality, right? But like, again, I would still recommend this one. And frankly, I think I've recommended all BMW Natural Air fragrances. Yeah, you can buy any of them and you can use it on any car and they don't smell bad. Some of them would make your car smell nice just by a little bit, but most of them would definitely, you know, make your car smell really, really nice. And the thing that I liked about natural air fragrances, someone's calling me, BMW Kimberly. Okay, I'm gonna call them again because I'm vlogging right now, but I'm almost done with my review. And again, Harmonizing Flowers is a pretty good smell. And I gotta, before I end the video, I gotta make sure that I'm getting the name right, if it's Harmonizing Flowers or not. But like, it smells super nice now. You know, like I've gotten used to the smell. I'm like, yeah, this is nice. You know, someone gets into your car and they're like, whoa, Roto, like, what fragrance is that? Right? That's like, that's not you, but it smells really nice, right? My wife would probably like this fragrance. It's more her than me. And so that's it for my quick review. Again, let's see, what's the name of this one? Yep, it's Harmonizing Flowers. And so, you know, again, probably like finalizing all my reviews of Natural Air. Number one, definitely Sparkling Raindrops still. Number two, and really a close second, is Energizing Tonic. And then third one, I can't even remember the name, but I'll update the rankings in the descriptions below. But this one, I think this is Green Tea. And then Green Tea, and then Balancing Amber, which is the red one, and then excuse me, the yellow one. And I forgot the name of the yellow one. But yeah, if you're looking into getting into buying natural air fragrances, that would be my ranking, right? And as you can see from my videos, most of the comments say that I'm a bit accurate on my descriptions. So go ahead and try them out. As always, thank you for liking my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Other than that, have a nice day. It's a nice and warm day here in Illinois, and I'm gonna, you know, take pictures of my car, probably fly a drone because I have my drone in the back. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.